When I was young, Chinese New Year was literally feast after feast after feast. We'd go from one family friend's house to family or uncle and auntie's house and have banquets all the time. These days, School of Wok's definitely taken over my Chinese New Year, so it's work, work, work. I prefer to go over to my mum's house around Chinese New Year, get her to cook for me, and I tell you what, she knows how to cook a banquet. First of all, it's all about sharing. Secondly, it's really important to get that balance of flavour, texture and colour. And then you're cooking serious Chinese food. Pure joy. Definitely lobster noodles with oyster sauce, ginger and spring onion. Combining the oyster sauce and lobster creates the perfect savoury flavour. My favourite soy sauce based dish has got to be dark soy braised pork belly with fermented tofu. The dark soy sauce has this great caramelised texture and makes a sticky soy braising sauce fantastic with a bowl of steamed rice. Both oyster sauce and soy sauce are very versatile ingredients. Oyster sauce, for example, makes an amazing bolognese. The savoury flavour works with the meat and the tomatoes too. With dark soy sauce, you can use it for chocolate dipping sauces. The caramelisation of the dark soy sauce with some brown sugar, some butter, melted chocolate makes a great chocolate dip. Just remember, when you're cooking, keep it simple, don't rush it, and enjoy it.